Hi and welcome back to Cameron's Country. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a Charles Tyrwhitt shirt. I've owned several Charles Tyrwhitt shirts for a while now and this is my latest edition. I ordered a couple in the January sale. This one's only arrived at the beginning of February because it was out of stock, but in order to compensate for that they gave me free delivery. So let's open it up and take a look. Okay, so here's the shirt in the packaging. I'm pretty sure that the packaging is 100% recyclable, which is pretty good. There is quite a bit of cardboard in the shirt to hold it firmly in place and keep it neat for when it arrives. I have ordered the double cuff shirt as I really like wearing cufflinks. This shirt is the ivory model, which is a slightly off-white colour. I quite like off-white as it can be worn formally, like a white shirt, and more casually as well. So I'm going to finish unwrapping the shirt, and then we're going to try it on and see how it looks. So now I've got the shirt on. I've got it on with my pheasant cufflinks, and it fits really nicely. I've ordered the extra slim version because I'm quite slim and I've got the 15.5 collar. They also have the slim version and the regular version, and in their full custom they have an extra slim version as well. So just about all sizes are catered for. I really like the colouring of the shirt. The ivory off-white can be worn in a very smart way, but also it's slightly more versatile than a plain white shirt when it comes to wearing it in a more casual setting as well. And of course with the country clothing, I think it fits a bit better with tweed, for example. Another couple of things about the Charles Tyrwhitt shirt you can adjust are the sleeve length and the cuff type. You can go for longer or shorter sleeves. I've gone for slightly shorter. And you can also choose whether you have the button-up cuffs or the double cuffs for cufflinks as well. The shirt, although the company is based in the UK, based in London, this shirt, according to the label, is made in Vietnam, but I still think it's a very, very high quality. In terms of pricing, individually, they can be quite expensive, around, I think, £60 to £70 on their website, but they do offer the multi-buy option, where you'll get each one for about half price if you buy 4 at once, or you can do what I did, wait till the sale's on. And I got this shirt and the other one I ordered, which arrived earlier, for around £25 each. So can be expensive, but if you order them at the right time, or if you're happy to order multiple at the same time, then you can get them for a much more reasonable price. I'll be wearing this shirt and other Charles Tyrwhitt shirts in many upcoming videos, so you'll get plenty of chance to see them featured in different outfits, both more formal and more informal as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. Let me know what you think of this shirt down in the comments. Would you buy one? Or are there any other brands that you might recommend yourself? If you enjoyed the video, please do subscribe. It would be very much appreciated. I look forward to seeing you in another video soon. Bye for now.